This video goes out to all you Bakugan Battle Brawlers out there, and my family. I'm glad you guys are here, because it's time for another exciting episode of Master Designs. And we're going to show you guys how to draw one of my favorite top 10 Bakugan, and one of them is Razonoid. Hold on. Alright, take two. Open up. Now that's more like it. As we remember by now, Razonoid is one of the main villains in Bakugan Mechtanium Surge, and was the final boss for Dan and Drago. His true identity is Phantom Darak, and, well, he was actually Darak in disguise. The same goes for his partner, who turned out to be Barodius, the evil Emperor of Gundalia. But, with Darak, with Razonoid now here, what do you think happened to Darak Colossus? Was it replaced by Dredion and Dredion Titan? Who knows? Anyways, before we get started, let's start by drawing him. Before I tell you more about him, let's start by drawing him. As we know, you must start with 3 eyes up here. And then you must draw the whiskers here. These are the teeth. Now you just draw the whiskers up here. There we go. There we go. And now we just draw these parts up here. And now we just draw this mark up here. Good shoot. There we go. Now we just draw the teeth up here. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go. There's his chest here. Now we just draw the rest of him. There we go. Anyways, as we remember, Razenoid's original homeworld was Gundalia. I don't know why he arose from there, but he was buried underground for quite some time. The same goes for his partner. Back then, Razenoid didn't have a voice until later in the line. There we go. There we go. Bakugan. Anyways, I felt bad about what happened to Zenthon and Zenthon Titan. Maybe they'll come back one of these days. After all, they were once part of Dan's family. And they will be avenged. There we go.
Big Time Rush by Big Time Rush on Amazon Music.
There we go.
Make it count, play it straight. Don't look back, don't hesitate. When you go big time, what you want, what you feel, never quit and make it real. When you're all big time.
Anyways, let's just draw these fingers.
Listen to your heart now. Hey, hey, don't you feel the rush? Hey, hey, better take your shot now.
There we go. Did you know that Bakugan can... Did you know that based on emotion, Bakugan can evolve? I've seen it happen 100 times, including what happened to Naga and basically Razenoid. Same goes for Drago. The only problem is about Preus, we didn't get to see him evolve, but spit out another version of him. Remember, I mean, instead of evolving, he upchucked a counterpart of himself named Preus 2. It's pretty awesome to see that. There we go. There we go. Sure, I know the paper might be a bit too big, but we're gonna finish drawing this guy.
You gotta lose. Go and make your luck with the life you choose. If you want it all, lay it on the line. It's the only life you got, so you gotta live it big time. If you want it all, lay it on the line. It's the only life you got, so you gotta live it big time.
There we go. And finally, we just draw this part up here. Let me just zoom out for a little bit. Now we just draw. Let's see, what else? What else should we? What's that, Razonoid? You want me to draw Dreadion Titan in one of my videos? Well, okay. I'll see what I can do. Yeah. Okay. Now then. Let's see what else we can... Let's see what we can finish up. Alexa, play Dragon Soul.
Here's Dragon Soul by Chris Allen Hess on Amazon Music.
Hold on a sec. Let me just erase some of this. I think I did it a bit too big.
My courage won't fade. If you're with me, my enemies will never win. We will fight for love and glory. We will live to tell the story. There's nothing we can't live through. Nothing ever dies. We will rise again. Don't stop, we're in luck now. Don't stop, keep your spirit proud. And right up on the wind, all we have to do is go. Don't stop, we're in luck now. Don't stop, there's so much to be found. We can find paradise. All we
There we go.
have to do is go free your soul. Dragon Soul. Mysteries abound, made up of deep energy. Both all around, but I will go fearless and free. I'll give you strength, you give me love, that's how we'll live. My courage won't fade. If you're with me, my enemies will never win. We will fight for love and glory. We will live to tell the story. There's nothing we can't live through. Nothing ever dies. We will rise again. Don't stop, we're in luck now.
Done. That's how you draw Razenoid.
All we have to do is go free your soul.
There we go. So, anyways, which do you guys think is the strong... Who do you guys think is your favorite character in Bakugan Mechtanium Surge? After all, in that new series, every Bakugan is made out of die-cast metal. See? Most of the pieces are made out of die-cast metal. The same goes for Ball Cannon. So, anyways, if you guys have any Bakugan that you don't need, I'd be happy to take it off your hands for you. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my drawing video on Razenoid, and be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and be sure to smash that like button on YouTube, and Mewtwo. Anyways, I'll be signing off in any minutes, so, wow, first time I ever saw that. Looks like a kaiju. Oh, and if you ever watch Pacific Rim, be sure to go to the fan site on Fandom. Alexa, what is Pacific Rim Uprising?
Pacific Rim is a 2013 action movie starring Idris Elba, Charlie Hunnam, and Rinko Kikuchi. As a war between humankind and monstrous sea creatures wages on, a former pilot and a trainee are paired up to drive a seemingly obsolete special weapon in a desperate effort to save the world from the apocalypse. Its runtime is 2 hours, 11 minutes. It has an IMDb rating of 6.9 out of 10 and is rated PG-13.
And Alexa, what is Pacific Rim Uprising? Alexa, what is Pacific Rim Uprising?
I don't know that one.
Alexa, what is Pacific Rim Uprising?
Pacific Rim Uprising is a 2018 action movie starring John Boyega, Scott Eastwood, and Kaylee Spianey. Jake Pentecost, son of Stacker Pentecost, reunites with Mako Mori to lead a new generation of Jaeger pilots, including rival Lambert and 15-year-old hacker Amara, against a new kaiju threat. Its runtime is 1 hour, 51 minutes. It has an IMDb rating of 5.6 out of 10 and is rated PG-13.
And Alexa, what is a kaiju? Alexa, what is a kaiju?
According to Wikipedia, kaiju is a Japanese genre of films featuring giant monsters. The term kaiju can refer to the giant monsters themselves, which are usually depicted attacking major cities and engaging the military, or other kaiju, in battle. The kaiju genre is a subgenre of tokusatsu entertainment. The 1954 film Godzilla is commonly regarded as the first kaiju film.
Thanks. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. I need to think about which character I need to draw next. And maybe it could be someone from Yokai Watch, or Pokemon, or Digimon. Either way comes first. I'm always here, I'm doing new videos every day, and I can't wait to see you guys again tomorrow.